Hello hunters, welcome to GreedHunterAcademy. This is the lecture 4 in the VS Code Mastery series. Till now you have seen how to download VS Code and how to run C, C++ and Python code in VS Code editor. And in this video you will see how to run Java. Yes, Java can sound boring, but I am here making a video on it. So be ready to catch up. To run Java in VS Code, we need to follow three simple steps. Step 1 is to install Java JDK. Unlike Python and VS Code, Java does not set path to environment variable, so we need to do some work here. After setting the path, we will check the Java is installed successfully or not with these commands. Step 2 is to download VS Code. If you have not downloaded VS Code yet, then you can check out the first video in this series that explains how to download VS Code in simple way. Step 3 is to install some VS Code extensions. Okay, now get ready with the first step to install Java. Oh, does that sound strict? No, I am not strict here. Java is a strict language, bro. So, open your browser and search for Java Oracle download. Click on the first link from oracle.com. Scroll down and choose your operating system. I am on Windows, so I will choose Windows. And come to this x64 installer with .exe extension. So click on this link to start your download. Now your download is started automatically. You can see your download via pressing Ctrl and J. So it will take some time to download based on your internet speed. Okay, so the download is completed. Now double click on this file to install your download. Minimize everything and only focus on the installation part. Now the wizard says something, you can just click next and keep the location default and click on next. Now it will install some packages. Okay, so the packages are installed. Now you can close this pop-up, or else if you want to read guide and tutorials, you can follow the next steps. I will close it. Now we need to set the path to environment variables. For that, open your file explorer, go to your C drive, open program files and search for Java, double click, JDK, bin and copy the path. Now open your environment variables, click on environment variables, come to system variables and see for path, double click on path, click on new and paste the path you have copied. Click on OK and again OK. Now minimize everything and open your command prompt to check whether Java is installed successfully or not. For that, write Java ---- version. Hit enter. So your Java 26 JDK has been installed successfully. Now you need to open VS Code and install some extensions. So open your VS Code. Now come here and click this icon to create a new file. I will name it as Java Greed.java extension. Hit enter. Now as soon as you will create a .java file, the VS Code will automatically suggest to install some extensions. So we will see the recommendations. It is telling for the extensions pack of Java that we have discussed in the step 3. So install them. It will install 7 packages with it. Okay, so our Java pack is installed successfully. Now come to file again and you can close this tab and this welcome tab too. Now I will write some Java code over here. Now to run this code, press Ctrl and J to toggle your terminal. Come to terminal tab and type Java and your file name, that is Java Grid. I will hit tab to autocomplete this. Now hit enter and here is your output. Hello from GreedHunterAcademy. So this is pretty simple to run Java in VS Code editor. This is all for this lecture. Thank you. Have a great day.